Welcome to the latest version of 3ds Zephyr, 3ds Zephyr 7. In this video, we're excited to share with you the new features making this the best Zephyr release yet. We are introducing a floating license system that simplifies license sharing among team members. You can now collaborate with ease on your projects without the hassle of managing individual licenses. The new licensing system applies to both 3ds Zephyr and 3ds Zephyr Lite. Speaking of Zephyr Lite, we're pleased to announce that we've removed the 500 photo limit and now allow unlimited image input. We have improved our meshing algorithm to produce better 3D models with higher levels of detail and accuracy. Our photo consistency filter has also been improved, making Zephyr faster and more efficient, allowing you to create stunning models in less time. We're thrilled to introduce our new orthophoto wizard, which streamlines the process of creating accurate and high-quality orthophotos. This new tool offers more control and an easier-to-use interface. We've made significant improvements to Samantha, our structure from motion technology. The geometric reconstruction stage has been enhanced to provide faster and more robust camera orientation, resulting in better 3D models. The LiDAR workflow has also been improved. The new AutoMagic Register Images to Scan tool makes it easier than ever to register images over a colored point cloud. The laser scans remain fixed, whilst the photogrammetric images are added over them automatically. That's just a taste of what's new in 3ds Zephyr 7. There are plenty of new tools and features, such as new icons and the Style Sheet Manager, a wholly renewed bundle adjustment constraints interface, advanced import options including custom geoid import, and a generally improved graphical user interface. Be sure to check out the full changelog and try the free trial at 3dflow.net.